everyone, it's Age Grace One. I have some exciting news to share with you. I have partnered with Stylevana, one of the leading Asian and Japanese skincare companies in the world. Stylevana has sent me a PR package of beautiful skincare products to share with you.
Links to all the products as well as the discount code will be in my description box.
Look at this wonderful box of Japanese Asian skincare products that I received. I am going to share with you each product and their purpose and how to use them.
The G9 Skin White Milk Toner can be used day or night. It helps to brighten dark circles and slow down the signs of aging specific to wrinkles and fine lines. Use this product after cleansing your face. The Bellflower Black Snail Vitalizing Cream can be used day or night. It helps to combat the signs of premature aging related to wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to brighten the skin, giving the skin a natural glow. The Purito Centella Green Level Eye Cream helps to reduce wrinkles and improves moisture balance. It also helps to heal irritated skin. Use this product after applying toners and serums. The Petafee Black Pearl and Gold Hydro Gel Eye Patches help to prevent premature aging of skin around the eyes, as well as dark circles, especially when you're out in the sun. Use after cleansing the face and applying toner. The Pure Derm Vegan Cucumber Peel-Off Sheet Mask helps to improve hydration of the skin. Apply to skin, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, remove, and then pat in the excess product. CosRx Snail Serum 96 can be used day or night. It helps to improve dry, dull skin and also calms sensitive or irritated skin. Use on clean face after your toners and apply moisturizer afterwards. The Unique Centella Bubbling Foam Cleanser combats hyperpigmentation and also improves moisture balance. Use in the morning and evening. If removing makeup, use an oil-based cleanser first. The Niacific Fresh Herb Serum can be used day or night. Shake well and use the dropper to apply the product to your skin. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and hydrates and improves the skin's radiance. The Firm Stay Collagen and Hyaluronic Acid Ampoule can be used day or night. It helps to improve hyperpigmentation and brightens the skin. It also hydrates and decreases dryness of the skin. The 9 Wishes Sun Moisturizer Sun Cream can be used daily. It helps to combat premature aging, wrinkles, and dryness. Use this product on clean skin with emphasis on areas of the skin that are easily exposed to UV rays. The Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Facial Oil can be used day or night. It helps to improve dull skin. Use this product as your last step in your skincare routine.
This is the perfect time of year to share these skincare products, and I even have a personal discount code to share. Stylevana is offering 10% off of your total purchase. However, if you spend more than $59, you get an extra 15% off of your purchases. My personal discount code is INF10 Graceful. When you shop with Stylevana and use my personal discount code, it does help me some. I will receive 5% from those sales. Shop Stylevana this holiday season for all of your skincare needs. It's perfect for gift giving. Thank you so much for allowing me to introduce to you Stylevana for your Japanese Asian skincare needs.